Payroll is one of the most sensitive operations in any school. A single error can affect staff morale and financial transparency. In this demo, I will show you how the payroll feature in SAFSIMS transforms what is typically a manual spreadsheet-heavy process into a structured, automated, and audit-ready workflow. To get started, log into the SAFSIMS portal, navigate to Configuration and Payroll Settings. Here you can create and add the staff entitlements, deductions, and payroll group. For both the entitlements and deductions, the calculation type could be a fixed amount or a percentage of another base entitlement. This also can be an optional staff entitlement or deduction, or it could be a compulsory or statutory entitlement. Once this has been created for both the entitlement and deductions, navigate to the payroll group and create the various groups that the staff would be categorized into, either teaching staff, non-teaching staff, academic or non-academic staff members in school. Fill in their entitlements and deductions applicable to that staff group. Select the staff members that apply to the group and save. Once this is done, you navigate to the payroll to have visibility into the payroll run for a particular period. Here you can easily view the details for each staff members in the various payroll group created, and add entitlements, add deductions that are specific to a particular staff members. Also easily update their or add their financial information from their bank accounts to their pension details to their health insurance or funds account. Once this is done, you can also use the period calculator to calculate and apply for new hires or departure staff members by selecting the start dates and the end dates for easy calculations. Once this is done, you can easily apply the prorated salary to that staff member. Once the payroll has been submitted for approval, it is sent to the super admin of the school to approve the payroll for that month. Once the payroll has been approved, easily generates the payslip for each of the staff members or for all staff members at a go. Easily view the details for each and navigate to export to have a copy of all reports, payroll reports, the entitlement summary, deduction summaries, or the salary schedules, bank transfer schedules for easy payments, pension contributions, and health insurance if that applies.